Welcome to a new video on my driving robot made of fischertechnik called Discovery, based on the TXT controller, running with the Linux programmed for this project in Python, using camera and 2 touch sensors with propeller to indicate whether the algorithm has stopped or not. The software which I demonstrated last time kind of works enough to make a further step. So last time I did show that color separation, which shows the color red and filters every other color like yellow and black out into black. But the next step, like I said, is to use the color red to change the course towards red. So if you don't see red, then you're out of direction, you have to spin or turn around. Do you see red, then you go towards the red and try to see as much as possible of the color red, and in the process go towards it. That's the goal. How to do that? Not quite sure yet, because I have never done it. Provided that the algorithm still works the way it did last time, let's try out. Alright. The question is, what should I do? I've made some progress now. I've put the robot right here. Here's an object, the same one, and I have made 2 images. Grab 2 images. Now you can see that this is red, and this is red as well, reddish. But the percentage of black is much bigger than this, than the red one. So now the question is, how do I compare? By making histograms of black and red, compare them, and since I want to go to red, I have to go here. So that is the next step. Alright, I have now calculated a history for a histogram, or a calculation for histogram 1, which is incorrect, I see. This should be a comma. And now I realize I have to make a histogram for black as well, which I didn't do yet, because I didn't make an array for black, which I have to do in order to make a histogram, because I need a file name. And then I notice as well that my battery pack has changed to 7.4 volts, so I have to replace my battery pack. So let's do something like that. And while thinking about which color to take, which values for NP array for black, I realize it's quite simple. Reintroduction of dark table. I probe the color and it says all 0, which is of course black. So all I have to do is creating black array, which is NP array for 0, and now I have to of course do it properly. make it 0, no, not O, 0. And this is my black array. So, what did I do so far? That is after replacing the battery with not so much luck, but in the meantime I have just under 9 volts to go, so I'm safe for now. Introducing dark table like I did gives of course 0, 0, 0. Then I have to make a new array, black 2, but in order to use the mask I have to use 2 blacks which are identical. From the mask black I create a result black, and with that I hope I make a file name black. The question is thus is only do I get a real effect with it? That's a big question. I'm not quite sure. Here I use file name res, and here I use the result. But we'll see what happens. And right here I have created a histogram 2, and here I calculate the comparison. Haven't done it yet, so that's going to be a second thing. Robot back at the start. This one goes back, and let's go again. And hopefully, well, I'm not quite sure what the result will be. Oh, I know what the result won't be, because I have to make a comparison. Like this. And then something to print, but let's first say, let's print something as well. Not quite sure what it will be. So, print comp is comp, and let's see whatever happens with it, if anything. And this is camera action. So I think here should be an empty line. We'll see. If I get a lot of errors, we'll see. Ooh, that's something which goes wrong immediately. Is an invalid keyboard. Why would that be an invalid keyboard? It's an invalid keyword in here. Mask is okay. I have to take this out. Okay. And then the weighting again. Camera in camera. And this always takes long. Okay, I have to do something more than that. Okay, so now I've come to another point. The former error was related to the following, being that I have to assign I am right to an array, an NumPy array apparently, which I subsequently also have to do to the other one, and that I have to use in here and here. After which I run into this error, which tells me absolutely nothing. So in order to get through here, and this is apparently something that is part for the community firmware that I have to use. OpenCV 3, and I am actually using OpenCV 2 or 3 apparently. This is 2, which does work somehow, but it appears to be OpenCV 3. But for now, apparently, color histogram comparison for now ends here. Because I have no idea how to go on with this. I can do it again, of course, see whatever happens. That is how much energy does the battery have left. 8.5 volts. Oh, that's okay. So, going again. There we go. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Another attempt. I hate those happenings. Okay. And poof. Which apparently has everything to do with this. So yeah, nice things, but that's about it. I can disable it, see if it goes on. If I don't meet the network error again. Which I do. Oh, it will fail on this one because hist is not defined. Yeah, okay. Anyway, go. with this it does end for now. Oops. Too bad. And with this result, or lack of result, I thank you for watching. If you like this video anyway, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. You can click on the lower right hand corner thumbnail to subscribe. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And you can also support by donating via either PayPal or IBAN, and you don't need an account for PayPal to support. And you can also become a patron. Please take a look at my website for much more under the video. And this is going to be continued, obviously. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye.